It's sunny.
After facing a lot of tragedies in her life, young Maya stopped talking. She was afraid that her words were too powerful and caused trouble. For 5 long years, she didn't speak to anyone except her brother.
I know you aren't talking, Maya, but I know that you are listening to me. Books are your best friends, right?
In the next scene, let's see how after a few years, Maya's teacher, Mrs. Bertha Flowers, acts as a pivotal mentor for her and breaks young Maya's year-long silence through kindness and literature.
Maya, I have some books I'd like you to read. Poetry. Words are special, child. They're more than just noise. They're meant to be heard. You have a voice. Don't let it stay hidden.
Let's discover how young Maya transforms into adult Maya.
It took me a long time, but I realized something special. When I didn't speak, I learned to listen to the world. I used my words to write stories about being a brave little girl, about being black in America, and about finding hope. I became a poet, a teacher, and a speaker.
Maya Angelou didn't just speak, she shouted and screamed for justice. She didn't give up in the face of difficulties, but shared her love with the world. And later, she became one of the most famous authors in the world of literature.
We cannot control all the events that happen to us in life, but we can choose not to be reduced by them. Use your voice to be kind and tell your story.
Speak up. Your words have